Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to check out a new 2026 Saxdor 320 GTC. The GTC is the coupe version, and we'll check that out when we get inside the boat. Starting here on the transom, this boat is equipped with the twin Mercury V8 300 horsepowers. Great motor, great match for this boat. As we step up into the cockpit, you have a large stern seat that has multiple functions, including flip-up bolsters. You also have a table that expands, so you've got a great place to eat dinner, hang out, make sandwiches. Just very entertaining cockpit. And to add to that entertainment, each side has a beach mode or a fold-out side that greatly increases the usability of the cockpit area. Simply push button here, and on the port side as well, to open the sides up, close them back when not in use. You also have a freshwater shower right here, so if you're out anchored out, you come in from swimming and shower off. You have all of your controls here, right here at the salon door. As we step inside, one of the great things about the Saxdor 320 GTC is the versatility. You have great outdoor space, but yet you have great indoor space to get you out of the elements. You have a nice table here that can be used for dinner, lunches, playing games, whatever you desire. Cockpit fridge as well. And over on the port side, you have two large storage cabinets. Above that, you have your wet bar sink and your double Kenyon cooktop. As we move up to the helm, of course, you've got the full glass enclosure. You've got the opening hardtop. At the helm, you've got twin Samurai displays, windlass controls, and you have joystick piloting. So great feature when you're coming into dock. You also have skyhook. Very user-friendly, makes the boat very easy to handle in dock. Digital throttle as well, VHF radio. Again, over on the port side, you have your stereo controls, all of your controls for the roof and the lighting, as well as your power panel. As we step down into the cabin, again, for a 32-foot boat, very spacious, very open, nice natural light, vacuum flush toilet that closes off for privacy, and then a full berth here in the V. Now we'll step up to the bow area. To get to the bow, you simply push this button here, door opens, we come out here. You've got a big sun pad, lots of room up here as well. You also have your anchor windlass here. Very deep anchor well, all chain. Makes that anchoring process much easier. Well, again, my name is John Wright. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.